Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker JBL Boombox 4 from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker, and at the right side we have the button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button, but before I tap on it I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but still have your speaker at the device list. In the future you can reconnect it. If you select to unpair your speaker, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. So if you need this, just select forget button or forget this device button or forget device or unpair or remove. It depends on the phone, which button you have, but it's the same. But let's disconnect the speaker, so disconnect, and as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection with the speaker, but still have it at the device list and I can easily reconnect this speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!